You've arrived.
This was the cheapest Hyatt in all of Nashville this weekend. We're gonna go in and walk around to see if this is a great bargain. Khiz and I moving all of our provisions with tons of Bucky snacks. There's laundry on our floor. Let's go in and explore room 401. Hello. Ooh. The entry. You get a nice fridge.
Freezer and regular fridge.
And we have a huge microwave.
Oh, that's a big microwave.
We have a 2-burner stove, some plates and cups.
Yeah, spoons, knife.
And hopefully some pots and pans, yes, so we can do some cooking.
And we do plan on using this kitchen because we are here for 3 days and we are done eating out. So dishwasher?
It's running right now, I can feel the heat.
Okay, we can call them. An island with 2 chairs here, some electrical and USB outlets.
It's perfect for if you want to work.
So there's more electrical outlets and USBs there. So we got a closet. You have coat hangers, a mirror here, and another mirror here, a full-size sofa bed, a big 52-inch TV, cabinets, a couple of stools here. The sofa looks really new. So this layout is, yeah, exactly like Anchorage, Alaska. We have stayed in this before. If you guys go check out our Anchorage, Alaska video, you can also compare what the layout is. This space looks a little bit bigger and the appliances are definitely newer than what we had in Anchorage. If you look on our TV, that's actually Headspace. They are handing out cards down there that you can download the app, use Headspace for meditation, which is just a nice touch. Let's go check out the bedroom. Yeah, the furniture is new. Like the color on the wall. I have a feeling any other Hyatt House we visit in America, they all are gonna start to look like this one. This setup, this furniture, and etc. Let's check out the view from the bedroom, corporate park, patio down below. There is a fire pit and a barbecue area too. There's a swimming pool that's 24/7 and gym is 24/7 as well. 2 drawers here, another 2 drawers there. We didn't have it that much stuff, but each one of us are gonna take a drawer. Another closet. That's where the safe is. More hangers. Come into the bathroom. There's soap, towels, and then this pattern that we are seeing, instead of the small bottles, everybody's now moving towards the big bottles of soap, shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. 3 more towels up there, and your regular toilet. So Eesa, layout of the room, do you like it?
Yeah.
Are you excited about just hanging out in Hyatt House for the next 3 days?
Yeah.
Okay, guess what?
Bye.
Tomorrow we're going to Kentucky.
What?
Yeah, but we'll have tonight and Tuesday all day where you guys can just enjoy the hotel.
Woohoo! Yay!
So this is Hyatt House at night. This whole place is all hotels and office buildings. The neighborhood's really nice. The area is really nice and comfortable to drive through. I was missing some supplies and I went to the reception desk and they sent me to Publix, which is just 5 minutes away from here. This is lobby and bar of Hyatt Place. They do have a fireplace outside. It's nice and quiet because it is Sunday. You can see the fireplace and sofas outside. And the bar setting. Now in the morning, they have breakfast buffet behind those two glass doors. And then you eat out here. So they have a little area for a couple of computers. And then even a store back there. And right on first floor, that's the pool. So the pool's not 24 hours, like I said, it's 6 to 10 p.m. And then they do have a gym here. And the gym is 24 hours. Every floor has a lot of these paintings. And overall, I think the look and feel of Hyatt House across the US have improved quite a bit. This is what Hyatt Centrics used to look like a while ago, especially with the color and furniture. So I think Hyatt's really doing a great job. Now we're gonna go check out their breakfast. Ready? Alright, so we got our breakfast now. I'm gonna show you guys the outside. There's tables and chairs. And there's barbecue grills back there.
I like this.
You like this?
Yeah, I like it.
Making your parfait. You got your juices, your orange, waffles. I'm sure hash browns, sausage, and eggs. There's USB ports and electrical outlets where we're sitting. We booked the basic room at Hyatt House because that was the cheapest in all of Nashville. And I did ask her if there was a chance for an upgrade, and we got upgraded to a 1-bedroom. That just means we have a door, which is perfect. Because if the kids want to make a little bit more noise here, we can use headspace in there.
Does not look like a
Look at it.
like
Okay,
an
it looks
apple.
like the monkey.
It looks like an
No, it looks like a frog.
It looks like an apple.
Okay, keep looking at it. Keep looking at it. Does it look like a monkey or a frog?
She's done.
Okay, we wait here.